How is my video? Is it okay? Am I audible? Johndeep?
Yes, sir.
Acha, thik ase. I'll be taking a practical, okay? I'll be giving you some notes regarding PSM practical, preventive and social medicine practical, okay? For that, you just buy one extra copy. Then like this copies, you please buy, okay? If possible. Try to buy this copy for your practicals, okay? You know this practical exercise, right? All of you? It's a biology practical exercise. You please buy and you write it down here. Okay, for today you can write in a piece of paper, but from the next classes, for FA also you buy one, for PSM also you buy one. Buji paisa? You understood? Okay, so write down. Write, don't mix it up with your theory exercise. Okay, for today you just write in a piece of paper, but the next time you write it down in this copy. Okay, you maintain this copy. So write down. We'll be studying about the vital signs. Okay. Write down vital signs. Vital signs. VITL. Vital signs. SIGNS signs. Vital signs. Whenever we talk about vital signs, okay. Whenever we talk about vital signs, first will come your temperature. Then it will come your pulse rate. Then respiratory rate, and then your lastly blood pressure. So write down number 1, temperature. Number 1, temperature. TEMPERATURE, temperature. Number 2, pulse. PULSE, pulse. Number 2, pulse. PULSE, pulse. Then number 3, respiration. Number 3, respiration. RESPIRATION, respiration. Respiration. Then the last one is blood pressure, BP. Blood pressure. BLOOD, blood pressure. PRESSURE, pressure, blood pressure. Got it? Whenever I ask you what are the vital signs, you should always tell to me serially. Okay, not first, like you should not say pulse, then temperature, then blood pressure, not like that. Okay, it should be in a sequence. First will always come your temperature, T, then P, pulse, then respiration, then blood pressure. Okay, TPR, BP. You can remember it in that way. TPR, and then lastly is the BP. Got it? You have to tell to me the sequence. Understand? So now write down number 1, temperature. We have to explain, we have to elaborate one by one. Okay. So first we'll talk about temperature. Number 1, you write temperature. Number 1 is your temperature. Write down. Temperature may be defined as the temperature may be defined as the temperature may be defined as the degree of heat maintained as the degree of heat maintained DEGREE, degree of heat maintained by the body. Heat maintained by the body, BODY, body. Full stop. It is the balance between It is the balance between heat produced, HEAT, heat produced, PRODUCED, heat produced and heat loss from the body. Heat produced and heat loss from the body. Heat produced and heat loss from the body. BODY, body. Full stop. Then you write down. Normal temperature, normal temperature, NORML, normal temperature, put a dash and write down. The body temperature, the normal body temperature, the normal body temperature, the normal body temperature varies between, varies, VARIES, varies between, VARIES, varies between 97 to 99 degree Celsius Fahrenheit. 97 to 99 degree Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit, you can just write F. Okay. 97 to 99 degree Fahrenheit. F. F you write. Capital letter F. Open a bracket. Open a bracket and write down 36 to 37 degree Celsius. 36 to 37 degree Celsius. So I have given you the normal temperature in both Fahrenheit as well as Celsius. Okay. In Fahrenheit, it is 97 to 99 degree Fahrenheit, and in Celsius, it is 36 to 37 degree Celsius. Okay. Change the paragraph. Change the paragraph and write down pyrexia, PYREXIA, pyrexia. PYREXIA, pyrexia, also known as fever. Pyrexia, also known as fever, FEVER, fever. Fever means, what do you mean by fever? Iban Rihun, what do you mean by fever?
Fever, when body is hot, high.
When our temperature increases, right?
Temperature increase.
Yeah. So pyrexia is a medical term, okay, and fever is a common term. So pyrexia, also known as fever, is defined as body temperature. Write down, is defined as body temperature. Is defined as body temperature. Is defined as body temperature above 99 degree Fahrenheit. Above 99 degree Fahrenheit. Only F you can write down, okay? Capital F. Above 99 degree Fahrenheit means it indicates fever, okay? Fever or pyrexia. Understand? So now, just make a column, make a box, make a column, and one side you write types, 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 and the other side you write range of body temperature. One side you write types, and the other side you write range of body temperature. Make two columns. Make two columns. You write types on one side and the other side range of body temperature. So in types, number 1, you write down hypothermia. 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 Hypo, HYPO, hypothermia, THERMIA, hypothermia. Then in the range of body temperature, you write down below 95 degree Fahrenheit. Below 95 degree Fahrenheit, F, only capital F. Okay, below 95 degree Fahrenheit. Then number 2, you write down in types, number 2, write down subnormal temperature. Sub, 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 normal, 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 subnormal temperature. subnormal temperature. Then on the other side you write 95 to 98 degree Fahrenheit. 95 to 98 degree Fahrenheit. So subnormal temperature ranges between 95 to 98 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. The third point you write low pyrexia. Low, L-O-W, low. L-O-W, low. Pyrexia, P-Y-R-E-X-I-A, low pyrexia. Then on the other side you write 99 to 100 degree Fahrenheit. 99 to 100 degree Fahrenheit. 99 to 100 degree Fahrenheit, F. Okay. Next, number 4, moderate pyrexia. Number 4, moderate pyrexia. Number 4, you write down moderate pyrexia. Number 4 is moderate, M-O-D-E-R-A-T, moderate pyrexia. Then on the other side, you write 100 to 103 degree Fahrenheit. 100, 100, 100 to 103, 103 degree Fahrenheit, F. 100 to 103 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. Next, number 5, fifth point you write high pyrexia. High, H-I-G-H, high pyrexia. H-I-G-H, high pyrexia, high pyrexia. Then you write down on the other side 103, 103 to 105 degree Fahrenheit. 103 to 105 degree Fahrenheit. 103 to 105 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. The last one you write hyperpyrexia. The last one you write down hyperpyrexia. Hyper, H-Y-P-E-R, hyperpyrexia. P-Y-R-E-X-I-A, hyperpyrexia. Write down 105 degree Fahrenheit. 105 degree Fahrenheit. So these are the ranges of body temperature. Okay, starting from hypothermia to hyperthermia. Hypo means low and hyper means high. Okay. Next you write down regulation of body temperature. Below you write down regulation of body temperature. Regulation of body temperature. Regulation of body temperature. Then make two columns. Make two columns. Make a table. Duta column. Make two columns. One side you write thermogenesis. Thermo, T-H-E-R-M-O-G-E-N-E-S-I-S, thermogenesis. Thermogenesis, in bracket you write down heat production. Heat production. When heat is produced from the body, it is known as thermogenesis. Okay, so in bracket you write down heat production. P-R-O-D-U-C-T-I, heat production. And in the other side, you write down thermolysis. T-H-E-R-M-O-L-Y-S-I-S, thermolysis. On the other side, write down thermolysis. In bracket, you write heat loss. In the bracket, you write heat loss. When heat is lost from the body, it is known as thermolysis. 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 Okay. So in thermogenesis, below number 1 you write down oxidation, O-X-I-D-A-T-I-O-N, oxidation of food, F-O-O-D, food, oxidation of food. Put a dash and write heat is the byproduct. Heat is the byproduct. Heat, H-E-A-T, heat is the byproduct. B-Y, byproduct, P-R-O-D-U-C-T. Heat is the byproduct. Heat is the byproduct. Then full stop. Then write down 1 gram of protein. 1 gram of protein. 1 gram GM. 1 gram of protein, protein, protein gives 4 calories. 1 gram of protein gives 4 calories. CALORIS gives 4 calories. 1 gram of protein gives 4 calories. Next you write 1 gram of fats. 1 gram of fats, FATS, fats. Fats in the form of oil, butter, cheese, ghee, all these are fats, okay? 1 gram of fats gives 9 calories. Gives 9 calories, 9. Gives 9 calories.
Pardon, ma'am?
1 gram of fats. Fats, FATS, fats. 1 gram of fats gives 9 calories. 9 calories. Then second point you write down muscle activity. Second point number 2, thermogenesis. Number second point you write down muscle activity. Muscle activity. Muscle activity. Put a dash and write down glycogen, GLYCOGEN, glycogen is converted into glucose. Glycogen is converted into
Pardon, ma'am?
glucose. Glycogen is converted into glucose. GLUCOSE, glucose. Glycogen is converted into glucose and releases energy. And releases energy. And releases energy. ENERGY, energy. The third point you write hormonal effect. Number third point you write hormonal effect. Hormonal, HORMONL, hormonal effect, EFFECT, effect. Then number 4 you write sympathetic stimulation. Number 4 you write sympathetic stimulation, SYMPATHETIC, sympathetic stimulation. SYMPATHETIC, sympathetic stimulation. Sympathetic stimulation. Okay. Then in the next column, you have made one more column, right? Thermolysis, heat loss. In that column, you write down number 1, radiation. In the other column, you write down radiation